First graders, we are back and we are going to talk about fractions again today and how we would show with a picture different portions of a fraction, okay? So let's get started. Alrighty, I've got a rectangle here, okay? And I want it, first of all, let's divide it into thirds. So how many equal pieces are we going to have if we divide it into thirds? You're right. I want 3 equal pieces. So I have my 3 equal pieces. Now, what if they tell us to shade 2 thirds? How many of those pieces am I going to shade? You got it, first graders. I'm going to shade 2 because I look at the top number to know how many to shade. The bottom number tells me how many equal pieces. The top number tells me how many to shade. So I'm going to shade 2 of my pieces, and I've shaded 2 thirds. Okay, now on this circle, they first want me to divide it into fourths. How many pieces will I divide it into if I divide it into fourths? Great job. I'm going to divide it into 4 equal pieces. Okay, so if I divide it into 4 equal pieces, I've divided it into fourths. And now they want me to shade 1/4. So how many pieces am I going to shade? You got it, 1, because the top number, the numerator, tells me how many to shade. The bottom tells me how many to divide it into. So I'm shading 1. And I shaded 1/4. All right, my last. They tell me to divide it into halves. So how many equal pieces would I have for halves? You got it. I'm going to have 2 equal pieces. And if they want me to shade 1/2, how many pieces do I shade? You got it. They want me to shade 1 piece. Very good. Okay, let's try a few more, guys. All right, again, let's do thirds. So how many pieces? You got it. 3 equal pieces. And then shade 1/3. How many pieces am I going to shade? You got it. 1, because that's my top number and that tells us. Okay, they want this circle divided into fourths. Fourths. You got it. 4 pieces. All right, now they want us to shade 3/4. So how many pieces do I shade? You got it. The top number tells us that we're going to shade 3 pieces. Good job. Okay, last one, and I'm going to do fourths again for this one. Okay, so how would we divide this shape into fourths? Well, there's lots of different ways, isn't there? Okay, I could go down and across, or I could make 4 equal pieces. I'm going to make 4 equal pieces this way. Okay, and they want me to shade 2/4. 2/4. So how many pieces are going to be shaded, first graders? You got it. The top number tells us 2. So I shade 2 pieces. Great job today, first graders. Hey, an activity you could do for fractions is you could get some Play-Doh, make it into a nice square or a nice circle, and divide it into halves or thirds or fourths, and then have your mom or dad ask you how many of those pieces would it make to make 3/4, and then you could show them how many pieces. Or if you ate 3/4 of it, pretend, we're only going to pretend there, then they would show you how many pieces that pie you ate. Okay, guys, We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.